Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams step by step. Let's begin. First, open up your Teams application on your PC and sign in with your account. Next, I want you to click on this icon over here that says Meet. Over here, click on Schedule a Meeting button. Here, give your meeting a title, for example, a random meeting. Then you can now easily invite participants. For example, you can choose by their name or email address. They will get an invite notification automatically. Now choose your meeting dates and start time. So over here, I will schedule this on 16. This will start on 8 p.m. and it will end on the same day. And it should be approximately 1 hour. And it will show it here. 1 hour all day. Okay. You can also toggle all day if it's a full day event or make it a recurring by choosing daily over here. Click on it. We have daily, weekly, monthly. We're just going to choose does not repeat. Okay. We'll keep it simple. Next, we can now add any additional notes that is very important to the meeting itself. It's completely optional. And once you're done with this section, I want you to go at the top right corner and check out for the options which says who can bypass the lobby and who can present. So I'm going to choose this option. I'm going to leave it as people who were invited and who can present. So for example, I'm going to choose everyone so all participants can share their screens. And once everything looks good, click send to finalize it. Send or save. Okay. It might take a few seconds. You can now easily copy the meeting link to share it with others. Click close and you're done. Next, you can go to your calendar on the left navigation panel, left click on it, and you will see your meeting listed here. You can easily left click on it. You can choose join, edit, or invite more people anytime you want. This is another way that you can easily access the meeting if it's not showing up on your email or Microsoft Teams itself. That's it. You have now successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this video very helpful.